say. There's a quote from a book called Invisible Women. It's actually a book on my to-read list. And if feel like this quote perfectly sums up everything that I want to touch on today. The quote is from the author Caroline Criado Perez, and it says, "The fact is that worth is a matter of opinion, and opinion is informed by culture. And if that culture is as male-biased as ours is, it can't help but be biased against women by default." Welcome back to another Coffee Talk. I'm Kaylin. I like to host these deep conversations. Like you're chatting with a friend.
卵をさ、タバコのさ、お皿をさ、入れてかき割れて、その後にランドみたいな色。大きい大きい取れない欲しいとわからないじゃんじゃんわーなんこんなときゃねの旅だじゃんわってじゃん旅じゃんじゃんじゃん一緒にお散歩行こう。大好きだってやってる。ここにも小さい置いとって。縛る。
ち側も。
どっち側やったよ。
うん。
ほら、見て。
あ、本当だ。ここにこうやって落ち葉をつけようと思って。